In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, hit this gear icon instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or simply click on the same microphone. If you wish to, you can also tap on your microphone and then select tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next in the pop-up, select done, and operate voice typing from this toolbar. You can hold it and move it around however you wish to. In order to voice type, just click on the same microphone. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To add an emoji, click on emoji icon, click on the one you wish to add, and to close emoji keyboard, use this X at the top left corner of it. To access some options of voice typing and your keyboard, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, use this icon of a keyboard right next to three lines. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!